The oyster is so juicy, the omelette is al dente, and the lettuce is so crispy. This is the most amazingly delicious night market dish, oyster omelette. Welcome back to Guang's Kitchen. The dish today is my favorite dish in the night market. Every time I visit the night market in Taiwan, this is the dish I always order. That is the oyster omelette. Taiwan is an island, that's why we have a lot of seafood, and oyster is among one of them. We eat a lot of oysters. Oysters are not that expensive in Taiwan, and we usually cook the oyster instead of eating it raw. There are so many different oyster dishes in Taiwan, and the oyster omelette I think is the most classic and tasty oyster dish. My personal favorite. Now let's check the ingredients. You will need 8 oysters, around 160 grams. I found those frozen oysters in Korean supermarket, so you can also try your luck. Lettuce, usually we use pak choy. If you cannot find pak choy, you can use lettuce instead. 2 eggs, sweet potato flour, tapioca starch, sesame oil, white pepper, and salt. For the sauce, you need ketchup, chili sauce, which is optional if you don't eat spicy food, sugar, and miso. These are all the ingredients we need today. You can also find them in the video descriptions below. First, let's cut the lettuce into small pieces. Now let's mix the batter. 4 tablespoons sweet potato flour, and then 4 tablespoons tapioca starch. Add 4 tablespoons water, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon white pepper. Finally, add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix well. And then let's mix the sauce. 1 teaspoon tapioca starch, 2 teaspoons sugar, 3 teaspoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, which is optional. I'm using sriracha chili sauce here. 2 teaspoons miso, 3 tablespoons water. Mix well. You can also add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, which is also optional. Cook the sauce until it's boiling and then cool it down. In the pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Heat the oil in high heat for about 1 minute. Add the oyster. Fry 1 minute each side. Spread the oyster evenly in the pan. Pour in the batter. Fry for around 30 seconds. Add the eggs. Break the egg yolk. Sprinkle the lettuce on top. After 1 minute, flip. Fry another side for 30 seconds, then it's done. Now let's start doing plating. Take 1 teaspoon sauce, put in the plate. Do like this. Put another teaspoon sauce on the plate. Do the same. Take a small piece of oyster omelette and put on top of the sauce. Drizzle some more sauce on the oyster. And it's ready to serve. Okay, now let's try it out. The batter is so crispy with the crunchy lettuce. The oyster is so soft and flavorful. Try it out. I think you will like it, and see you next time.